Tired of looking for healthy breakfast options? Hey viewers, welcome to Fitnify, where we inspire you to live a healthy lifestyle. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And turn on notification.so that you don't miss any of our videos. It is said that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It is also that skipping breakfast is better than having an unhealthy one. A nutritious, well-balanced breakfast can give you energy and prevent you from eating too much during the rest of the day. As the name suggests, breakfast breaks the overnight fasting period. It replenishes your supply of glucose to boost your energy levels and alertness, while also providing other essential nutrients required for good health. A healthy breakfast refuels your body, jump-starts your day. What exactly counts as a healthy breakfast? Here's the core of a healthy breakfast: whole grains, lean protein, low-fat dairy, fruits and vegetables. Together, these food groups provide a combination that packs health benefits and helps you feel full for hours. Here are few best foods for breakfast. 1. Eggs. Ever wondered if eggs are worth the hype? Yes, it is. Eggs are undeniably healthy and delicious. Though high in cholesterol, eggs don't raise cholesterol levels in most people. In fact, eating whole eggs may reduce heart disease risk by modifying the shape of bad cholesterol, increasing good cholesterol and improving insulin sensitivity. What's more, 3 large eggs provide about 20 grams of high-quality protein. 2. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a nutritional powerhouse. It's made from ground oats. It contains beta-glucan, which is a thick, sticky fiber that helps a person to feel full for longer and may also lower cholesterol. This fiber has many impressive health benefits, including reduced cholesterol. Oats are also rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, folate, and potassium. Steel-cut oats, which contain more protein and fiber than other types of oats, are a good option because they have a lower glycemic index. A low GI means a person's blood sugar will not increase as much. 3. Yogurt. Greek yogurt is another excellent source of protein to eat in the morning. Greek yogurt is thick and creamy and contains more protein than regular strained yogurt. It's made by straining whey and other liquid from milk curds, which produces a creamier yogurt that is more concentrated in protein. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium and contains probiotics that help support a healthy gut and immune system. Yogurt and other dairy products can also help with weight control because they increase levels of hormones that promote fullness. Don't forget to chop some berries or fruit to increase your meal's vitamin, mineral and fiber content. 4. Berries. Berries of all kinds, such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are an excellent way to start the morning. They are low in calories, high in fiber, and are packed with disease-fighting antioxidants. They're lower in sugar than most fruits, yet higher in fiber. Berries also pack antioxidants called anthocyanins, which protect your heart and may help you age better. Berries have been shown to reduce markers of inflammation, prevent blood cholesterol from oxidizing and keep the cells lining your blood vessels healthy. What is the best way to add berries to your breakfast? Sprinkle berries on cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt, or blend them into smoothies. If choosing frozen berries, don't forget to check the label for added sugar. What if you find added sugar? You know what to do. 5. Banana. Banana is best the grab-and-go breakfast for all those busy lads. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which may support healthy blood pressure in some people. Add some bananas on top your cereals or oatmeal to make it different and tastier. Did you watch the video on foods to control blood pressure? What are you waiting for? Follow the link in description box below. 6. Nuts and nut butter. Are you someone who does not eat animal product? You have amazing breakfast options too. Eating nuts is also an excellent way to get enough protein. Nuts also contain antioxidants, magnesium, potassium, and heart-healthful fats. Nut butter is very versatile. Healthy nut butter include peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter, unsweetened cocoa and hazelnut butter. You can mix it into oatmeal or yogurt, spread nut butter on whole grain toast, or use it as a dip for fresh fruit. Again, don't forget to check on added sugar. 7. Cereals. Did you know research indicates that people who eat cereal consume fewer calories at breakfast and are less likely to be overweight than people who eat other foods for breakfast? Cereal can be a good choice. But, not all cereals are created equal. So you need to be careful when you choose cereal. Read the nutrition facts label and ingredient list before you buy cereal. When choosing cereal, choose cereals with at least 3 grams of fiber in each serving. Choose cereals lower in calories, ideally less than 160 calories a serving, if you're counting calories. Avoid cereals that list sugar at or near the top of the ingredient list. Focus on cereals marketed to adults, which are usually lower in sugar than cereals aimed at children. Cereal bars may also be a good breakfast option. Make sure to look for that are made with simple, wholesome ingredients, such as dried fruit, nuts and whole grains such as oats. 8. Low-fat cheese. Low-fat cheese such as cottage cheese and other natural cheese are great option for breakfast. Cottage cheese is another protein powerhouse, which increases metabolism, produces feelings of fullness and decreases levels of the hunger hormone ghrelin. Cottage cheese is also rich in B vitamins, vitamin A, and calcium. A study showed that cottage cheese could curb hunger just as efficiently as eggs do. How to have them for breakfast? You can eat cottage cheese by itself, or mix it with other savory foods, such as pepper and spring onions, or fruit or nuts. 9. Tea. Black, green, and white teas all contain antioxidants, but we all know green tea is probably the most healthful. Green tea may help burn fat and promote weight loss. These teas contain some caffeine, which improves alertness and mood, along with raising metabolic rate but not as much as coffee. Not just that, tea can also help a person stay hydrated. Green tea has numerous health benefits. To watch the video, follow the link given below. 10. Whole grain toast. If you work out in the morning, this breakfast puts high-grade fuel in your tank. Whole grains cut your risk of obesity and the long-term diseases that come with it. Add some nut butter and make your boring toast healthy and nutritious. Your morning meal doesn't have to mean loading up on sugar and fats, and it doesn't have to be time-consuming to be healthy. If you are someone who find it difficult to cook in the morning, try to make breakfast the night before. Make a grab-and-go kind of breakfast the night before, so that in the morning, you can grab it and go. So what's your breakfast for tomorrow? Here are some easy healthy breakfast options for you. Why not a whole wheat pita stuffed with hard-boiled egg or cooked oatmeal topped with almonds or dried cranberries? A whole wheat tortilla filled with vegetables, salsa and low-fat shredded cheese, or a smoothie of fruits, plain yogurt and a spoonful of wheat germ. How about whole grain toast with nut butter? You can also make 2 slices of whole wheat bread with some lean meat, lettuce, tomato, and a slice of low-fat cheese. This will pump you full of protein and vitamins and keep you feeling full all morning. Which is your favorite breakfast? Comment and let us know. Stay tuned for more health and fitness information videos. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.